SERV stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in a short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. SERV Robotics specifically, yeah, it's like 25% up, and the way that I'm observing this is I genuinely still want to take it up, and that was my whole bias even beforehand, like from the beginning here and here. Context before I get deeper, I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and I've documented it all. But like, here's the proof of me calling out this previous prediction. Here's the video when it was made 13 days ago on 12th of December. 12th of December was right here. There you go. Now this one just never gave me the rules, so you're just kind of a bias that just delivered without me, which kind of sucks because my direction was correct. But with that in mind, I'm still looking to double down on this bullish market as long as the price promises me to give me the rules. Obviously, I'm not waiting for a promise from the universe that's silent, but if the rules are met, then and only then I'll move. So that's why I'll have alerts. I'll keep checking this and I'll update you guys. So stay tuned. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.